Welcome. In front of me is a POCO Pad M1, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we will need to turn off our device, and we can do so by holding power button and volume up at the same time. There we go. And from here we're going to just swipe up to turn off the device. Give it a moment, tablet should turn off, and from there we're going to hold power button and volume down, I believe, at the same time. We'll see if I'm correct about that one. Okay, I'm not, so switch to volume up instead. Now when you see the POCO logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And you can see this takes us to the recovery mode. And here we actually don't have too many options. So we have a reboot, which will take us back to Android. Wipe data, which we do need to use volume buttons here, as you can see. And power button will be to confirm whatever is selected. So under wipe data, we have basically wipe all data and go back. And then we have connect with Mi Assistant, which is a program. So I'm going to stick with the first option. Confirm it, reboot to system, and it's just going to bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.